Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 91 Thorp Crescent in Ajax. This fantastic Central West community is located close to the historic Pickering village, offering a blend of community, charm, and convenience. We are walking distance to top-ranked schools and close to the Duffins Creek trails. I can't wait for you to see the entire home. Let's head on inside and have a look. Here we are inside. This home has been meticulously maintained and beautifully renovated throughout. The main floor offers modern wood flooring throughout, smooth ceilings, and beautiful lighting. This spacious layout offers approximately 1,800 square feet of living space. We have a separate living, dining, and family room, making for the perfect entertainer's home. This recently renovated kitchen offers a beautiful open concept overlooking your family room, space to allow for an island, stainless steel appliances, and backsplash with a walkout to your own private yard. The second floor offers 3 massive bedrooms. We are here in your primary retreat, which features a large sitting area, a huge walk-in closet, and a newly renovated 4-piece ensuite bath. The lower level offers a beautiful blank canvas to make your own personal wishes come true. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.